am making sopa a la criolla. This is a Peruvian dish, and the main ingredients are like ground beef. So in English, this is called beef and pasta soup. So like I'm using ground beef, and then pasta, angel hair pasta, and then it's going to be topped with eggs, and then onion, and then so we went to a Peruvian market earlier today, and we got this Malta Goya. And then, but what I'm looking for, we can do the rest of our shopping haul later. Let's cook dinner first. So this is what I'm looking for. I'm going to use either this one, I don't know how it is tastes. We got two different seasonings. Both are not that spicy. Panquita, and then this one. I'll check which one would taste better on this like dish. And then I got oregano. We have oregano in the garden, but this recipe is calling for like dried oregano, and we don't have like dried oregano. I always use fresh oregano, so I got like this oregano too from the same market. And then, like I said, we do our haul later because we got a lot of interesting stuff from there. Anyway, let's start cooking this dish. And we are using angel hair like pasta. So this is our like pasta section. And then we have this angel hair is what we are using for this recipe. So canola oil first. I need to saute the onion and garlic. So onion and garlic. So this is the special ingredient on the on this recipe, the Ají Panca. Ají Panca is that pepper. It's a Peruvian pepper, and this one is not spicy, and that's what we like because Josh can't eat spicy food. It says here, sin picante, non-spicy. And then yeah, that one, Ají Panca, is the special. So I'll use this one instead of this one because this one is different. This is yellow pepper, ají amarillo. It's not spicy too, but I can use this on a different dish. And then I'm going to harvest oregano to top on the egg. And this is the ground beef. I'm using this 80% lean, 20% fat beef. And then I'm adding this one. Oh, it smells so good. Yeah, that should be good. Oh, it smells so good. And then oregano. And then I'm adding about 5 cups of water. And then I'm going to add the angel hair pasta. It's going to be like very quick, only like 2 minutes. Just add like probably half, so it doesn't get like and then we can add more tomorrow. See, egg, oregano. See how pretty? So I'm going to harvest some to garnish our soup. I'm going to dry some of this later. Beautiful. Oreganos are very pretty. Okay, this should be enough. This is done. I'm going to turn off and then add a splash of milk. Okay. a splash of milk. Like that. So let's prepare the soup. So we have the pasta, the angel hair pasta here, and then let's add the soup, and then the beef. Oh, it smells so good. And so here is our sopa criollo, and then I'm going to add like egg on top. So with egg on top, and then I'm going to garnish with fresh picked oregano from the garden. There you go. Here's dinner. This is a Peruvian dish, sopa a la criolla. It has ground beef, angel hair pasta topped with egg, and then oregano. The oregano is from the backyard garden. And then it's also seasoned with dried oregano and ají panca. Ají panca is a special Peruvian seasoning. It is made of pepper. It is not, this one is the not spicy version. I love Peruvian food. Anyway, here's what we are having for dinner. Let's eat. We are going to this place, Pisco Sour Market, Peruvian market. Let's see what they have inside. But we're supposed to get like paste. They have the paste here. Let's see what they. I'm making soup. A Peruvian sopa criolla, and I think this one, right? No.
They said that's spicy. This is
spicy.
the one she said no spice.
Oh, perfect. Then get that one.
Instead of butter.
We are getting this one, pancita. Let's check what else they have here. Very interesting. And then this is, I think this is the noodles that you're supposed to.
Chow mein. That's there.
Oh, chow mein. This is what they use in the ceviche, Peruvian ceviche.
Para sopa criolla. No, this one for this. Pero like the pasta.
Oh, the pasta.
See.
So we're getting this one too. This is ready to eat for ceviche. Let's check what else they have. Ceviche. What else? Yeah, check the soup. I need to get oregano. I don't think we have oregano at home. We need oregano. But we have oregano but not dried.
Oregano. Okay.
Oregano, yeah.
Saan?
Perfect, yeah. At least it's like really their flavor, right? Not the other oregano. Although they are like masa, I think. Those are masa. Plantain flour. Ooh, interesting. Plantain flour. I think I'll get this. I'll try this. Oh, they have seasoning for ceviche. I'll get this one. Oh, now we're getting more than what we came here for. So this ceviche mix, I'm going getting two. And then also this one looks yummy too. For the chicken, arroz con pollo seco. Or loquito. Seasoning here. Look, the fish seasoning.
Which one?
This one, fish seasoning.
Yes.
Oh, and then rice, no? Oh, this is what they put on the rice. That's why the rice is yummy.
Yeah.
I'll get this.
And then the other.
is what we are getting from here. We can do a whole later too.
And
No, 7 to 10 minutes.
So that's the market we went to. Pisco Sour Market. A lot of Peruvian stuff. We are going to that place, Natalie's Peruvian seafood restaurant. Menu. I know.
me too, bunay sa sobrang.
This is maracuya. Passion fruit. Steak. Ceviche mixed up.
And what are you? Nervous, saltado. Carne.
Carincha.
Carne. Yeah, that's my visa.
Yeah.
Halea.
Halea.
J-A-L-E.
Halea. This is halea. Saltado marisco. We are from Aldo. We are going to Fina Estampa. It's a Peruvian restaurant, but we are just going to pick up food there because they close early. It's already like 7:30 and they close at 8. This is in Chatsworth. So they are located on Winnetka Avenue and in Chatsworth. So that is the restaurant. Fina Estampa. It's a Peruvian restaurant and they have really good like food. I'm going to show you when we get home. We ordered lomo saltado and pescado ceviche. So that is the restaurant Fina Estampa. We got extra rice, and then this is the pescado ceviche. So this is the pescado ceviche, which is like really good. I super love Peruvian ceviche. And then these are just the rice for the lomo saltado. And lomo saltado is here. Oh, it's still like hot. It's so hot. We are getting dinner from there. It's Listo al Pollo. It's a Peruvian restaurant, and we are getting the pollo a la brasa, and then the Inca Cola, and then the rice, and then ceviche, pescado ceviche. Here's the food that we picked up from the Peruvian restaurant. So this is the chicken. I think it's called pollo a la brasa. So look at that. It smells so good. And then
It does.
yeah, it smells so good and it looks so good too. This is super like delicious, super flavorful.
And then there we have the Inca Cola.
Yes, this is the Inca Cola. It comes with Inca Cola and then 2 sides. I think you can get fries too, but we got like rice. 2 rice. And then we also got the fish ceviche, pescado ceviche, and
That looks yummy.
it is, and it comes with this one with
Carrots.
I think this is like sweet potatoes, sweet potato and then potato. And then this one, the corn. I'll put the corn later. I'm gonna put the chicken came with different like sauce. So the green one, the white one, and then the yellow one, and then the white one. So these are 3 different kinds of like sauce. And then there's extra here and more like extra here. I put the corn in here, the roasted corn. So this is dinner. Looks yummy, right? Here's our Peruvian food to go for dinner. The pollo a la brasa, the chicken, Peruvian chicken, the Inca Cola, the pescado ceviche, the rice, and then all this like sauce. Yellow, white, and the green. I don't know what they are called.